Tonight, let's travel back to the warm summer nights of old Edo, where a delicate, shimmering beauty brought joy to the city. Our first word means summer.
夏、夏、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
夏が来ました。
As the days grew hot, merchants would carry wooden tubs through the narrow streets, calling out their wares. Inside the water swam vibrant, elegant creatures. Our next word means goldfish.
金魚、金魚、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
金魚が泳いでいます。
People loved these little fish. They would keep them in beautiful glass bowls, watching their long, flowing fins dance like silk in the water. Our next word means red.
赤い、赤い、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
赤い金魚がきれいです。
Even today at summer festivals, children still try to catch them with delicate paper scoops, carrying on a tradition that is hundreds of years old. Our next word means water.
水、水、水、水、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
水が冷たいです。
Watching them glide peacefully brings a sense of cool relief on a warm evening. They remind us to find beauty in the quiet moments. Our final word means peaceful.
平和、平和、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
平和な夜です。
May your dreams be as graceful and calm as a goldfish swimming in cool water.
おやすみなさい。